6 Early flu symptoms. Detecting early symptoms of the flu can prevent the spread of the virus and possibly help you treat the illness before it gets worse. Early symptoms can include fatigue, body aches and chills, cough, sore throat, fever, gastrointestinal problems. There are also early flu symptoms that are unique to children. Read on to learn more about all of these symptoms and how you can find relief. 1. Sudden or excessive fatigue. Shorter days and reduced sunlight can make you feel tired, but there's a difference between being tired and experiencing extreme fatigue. Sudden, excessive fatigue is one of the earliest signs of the flu, and it may appear before other symptoms. Fatigue is also a symptom of the common cold, but it's usually more severe with the flu. Extreme weakness and tiredness may interfere with your normal activities, so it's important that you limit activity and allow your body to rest. Take a few days off from work or school and stay in bed. Rest can strengthen your immune system and help you fight the virus. 2. Body aches and chills. Body aches and chills are also common flu symptoms. If you're coming down with the flu virus, you may mistakenly blame body aches on something else, such as a recent workout. Body aches can manifest anywhere in the body, especially in the head, back, and legs. Chills may also accompany body aches, and the flu may cause chills even before a fever develops. Wrapping yourself in a warm blanket can increase your body temperature and reduce chills. If you have body aches, you can take over-the-counter pain medication, such as acetaminophen, Tylenol, or ibuprofen, Advil, Motrin. 3. Cough. A persistent cough can indicate an early illness and may be a warning sign of the flu. The flu virus can also cause a cough with wheezing and chest tightness. You might cough up phlegm or mucus, but this is rare in flu's early stages. If you have respiratory problems, such as asthma or emphysema, you may need to consult a doctor to prevent further complications. Also, call a doctor if you notice colored phlegm. Flu complications can include bronchitis and pneumonia. Take cough drops or cough medicine to calm a cough. It can also help to keep yourself and your throat hydrated with lots of water and caffeine-free teas. Always cover your cough to prevent spreading the infection. 4. Sore throat. Flu-related coughing can quickly lead to a sore throat. Some viruses can actually cause a swollen throat without a cough. In the earliest stages of the flu, your throat may feel scratchy and irritated. You may also feel a strange sensation when you swallow food or drinks. If you have a sore throat, it will likely get worse as the virus progresses. Stock up on caffeine-free tea, chicken soup, and water. You can also gargle with 8 ounces of warm water, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. 5. Fever. A fever is a sign that your body is fighting off an infection. Flu-related fevers are typically 100 degrees Fahrenheit, 38 degrees Celsius, or higher. While a fever is a common symptom in early stages of the flu, not everyone with the flu will have a fever. Also, you might experience chills with or without a fever while the virus runs its course. Acetaminophen and ibuprofen are both effective fever reducers, but these medicines can't cure the virus. 6. Gastrointestinal problems. Early flu symptoms can extend below the head, throat, and chest. Some strains of the virus can cause diarrhea, nausea, stomach pain, or vomiting. Dehydration is a dangerous complication of diarrhea and vomiting. To avoid dehydration, drink sports drinks, fruit juices, caffeine-free teas and sodas, or broth.